I'm Tim, welcome to my channel. Have you taken a lot of such video clips, but you don't know how to make a vlog? In fact, we don't need very complicated editing steps to produce a vlog recording your life. Today we will offer tips for amateurs. You can make a vlog just by your phone. How to shoot it? It's actually very simple. You can make it like a diary. Record everything you do with the camera. Today I went to the coffee shop I wanted to try, and I had the cake I wanted to taste. It's okay to make a mistake through the process. Just stop for 2 seconds and keep talking. We can delete the wrong part later. This is the framework structure of your vlog. Open CapCut, click plus to import the video you recorded. Click plus to import your recorded video and cut out any mistakes and the part you don't need. Next, put all the clips mentioned in your diary. For example, if you mention freshly brewed coffee here, then add the clip to the video as an overlay. Adjust the size and position of the video. Remember to turn down the sound of this clip. If you want to make your vlog more interesting, then you can add some little details into it. For example, some of your feelings, some fun expressions. You can click split to add this clip in the gap of speech. Well, not bad. The last step. Let's add some music to this video. CapCut has an extensive music library. We can also add some subtitles. Click text and select auto captions to automatically generate your subtitles. A vlog is done! Today I went to the coffee shop I wanted to try, and I had the cake I wanted to taste. Well, not bad. You got it? Have a try. Download the CapCut and try it out.